Good day everyone, especially to Ma'am Maria Christine Zerato. This is Margie and Tara. And let's enjoy the stunning beauty of Camarines Sur in my virtual tour. But before that, let's tackle first what is Camarines Sur. Camarines Sur is a province in the Philippines situated in the Bicol region, occupying the southeastern peninsula of Luzon and the outlying islands provinces of Masbate and Catanduanes. Its capital is the municipality of Pili. The province has a land area of 5,511.90 square kilometers or 2,128.16 square miles. Its population as determined by the 2020 census was 2,068,244. This represented 34.1% of the total population of the Bicol region, 3.33% of the overall population of the Luzon Islands group, or 1.90% of the entire population of the Philippines. Based on these figures, the population density is computed at 375 inhabitants per square kilometers or 972 inhabitants per square mile. Let's proceed to the tourist spots of Camarines Sur. So here is the top 5 natural wonders of Camarines Sur that you shouldn't miss out. Number 1. Mount Isarog. Mount Isarog is one of the Camarines Sur's most prominent natural landmarks, standing tall at 2,012 meters above sea level. This majestic mountain is a popular destination for both locals and tourists, offering a wide range of outdoor activities with breathtaking scenery. Next is Caramuan Islands. Caramuan Islands is one of the most breathtaking tourist spots in the Philippines. One of the main draws of Caramuan Islands is its stunning beaches with powdery white sand and crystal clear water. Tayac Lagoon. Tayac Lagoon is a hidden gem located in the town of San Jose, Camarines Sur, Philippines. This serene and picturesque lagoon is nestled in the heart of a lush forest, providing a tranquil and peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Isla Monteverde. One of the unique features of Isla de Monteverde is its stunning rock formation. These towering limestone cliffs rise from the sea, creating a dramatic backdrop for the beaches and adding to the overall beauty of the island. Omang Cave. Omang Cave is a natural wonder in Camarines Sur. It is a limestone cave system that boasts a unique and stunning collection of stalactites and stalagmites that have formed over thousands of years. So let's proceed to the festivals of Camarines Sur. Number 1 festival is the Quimarones Festival. This festival is a celebration of the feast of San Rafael Arcangel, the patron saint of Pili. It is celebrated annually every October 23 to 24 since the parish was founded in 1890. Next is Kaugma Festival. Kaugma Festival is a week-long pageant of colorful activities. The Kaugma Festival title has been modified to Kaugma Mardi Gras, or the world's hottest festival. Next is Baybayin Festival. Baybayin Festival is an annual activity held along the shore of Santo Niño Sagnay, Camarines Sur every April 15 to 17. The highlight of which include Bikini Watch, beach, and the Harana Festival. Harana Festival is a music festival showcasing original Bicol songs presented in a contemporary way, one of San Jose's pride in vision and tourism. So let's proceed to the foods of Camarines Sur. Number 1 is laing. Laing is another famous food from Bicol. It is primarily involves simmered kabi or taro leaves, coconut milk, aromatics, and flavored enhancer like bagoong, alamang, or stream paste. Next is pinangat. Pinangat is similar to laing. Pinangat is another dish with a coconut. Quinalas. Quinalas is a Bicolano noodle soup traditionally made with noodles and meat scrape of cow paste. Next is kinunut. Kinunut is a name from the Bicolano word to thread. This coconut milk-based dish is made with shredded pagi or stingray, malunggay, and siling labuyo. Sili ice cream. Sili ice cream is a Filipino ice cream flavored, prepared using labuyo chili, coconut milk, cured strawberries, and sugar.